Hi, it's time for another video. And this time, I'm going to show you how to make chili fry with shrimp, bacon, and potato. Now, there isn't much history on this, except that it is spices and usually potato and meat fried in a pan. So let's make it. For the ingredients, you will need 1 medium onion, chopped, 3 green chilies finely sliced, 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger minced, and 3 garlic cloves crushed. I've mixed the two together. 2 small tomatoes or 1 medium tomato chopped, 2 medium potatoes cut into small cubes and then boiled, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, a 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of clove, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Now you will also need 1 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. You will need bacon, but of course the amount will vary to how much you want. Shrimp varies to how much you want. And salt and vinegar to taste. You also need the flesh of tamarind soaked in hot water. This is what a tamarind looks like. And for this recipe though, I'll be using apple cider vinegar, which is the closest in taste to the homemade coconut vinegar I used to enjoy in Santa Shet, Aldona, Goa, at my Garamai's house. On to the cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to start frying everything. Depending on how much bacon you are going to use in your recipe, you may not require a lot of fat to fry the onions, because the bacon is very greasy. I'm going to use some lard, or more specifically, bacon grease I have left over from previous cooking. So I'm going to put 2 spoons of this in. Okay, now that the bacon grease is warm, I'm going to add the onions. Now I'm going to saute the onions until they are translucent and sweaty. By the way, here's a tip. Toss in a pinch of salt to keep the onions from burning. I'm going to add the ginger, garlic, and chili. So in goes the ginger and garlic, now the chili, and the curry leaves. Okay. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Now I'm going to add all the spices. And now I'm going to add the bacon. Arguably the most important part of it. Just continue to fry it. As you can hear the sound, that means it's frying well. Now I have to add the shrimp. Going to continue to cook. Now I'm going to add the tamarind. And the salt. Okay, I'm just stirring it for a while. And now it's time to add the potatoes. Now I'm going to add a capful of vinegar. And I'm going to add a bit of turmeric, a bit more. Okay, so it's been cooking for 5 minutes since the vinegar. It's now time for the taste test. Okay, so now here's the taste test. I'm going to take a bit of the fry itself. That's really good. You taste the spices and everything, but now I'm going to try it with some rice. That's great, guys. Okay, time for the outro. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. Tell us what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this with your friends. Let me tell you something about this dish though. It is great to make if you're in a pinch, and you can eat it any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, and it's best eaten with Goan Pao or Arabic caboose. If you want to find out more about that, click the pop-up here and see you next time.